up, you guys? It's your girl Natural BB here, and I'm back with another video. So guys, I am super duper excited. I'm very excited for this video because I am. So as you guys have already read by the title, today's video is going to be in collaboration with Jeulia Jewelry. They sent me this beautiful ring set, and today I'll be showing you guys what it looks like and all of that. Okay, so I do want to mention that I have a giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that to find out what I'm giving away and what you need to do to go ahead and get you whatever it is that I'm giving. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, so this is the box that it comes in, and I'm just going to open it up. It comes with this little cute bag right here, just in case you want to give it to somebody as a gift. Okay, and it also comes with a little book full of their jewelry, pictures of their jewelry and all of that. So you should expect all of those things in there. And last but not least, this is inside. This comes inside of the box. It was in the middle right here. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. So they put the ring in this little bag right here, and we're just going to take it out. I did get this in the size 6. It's the first piece. OMG, this is so gorgeous. Like who is going to tell me that this isn't real diamonds? This is beautiful. So y'all, since I'm pretty sure this is not gonna fit, I'm just gonna put it on my pinky finger for you guys. So guys, I just put it on my pinky finger because it's not going to fit my fat fingers. And y'all, isn't it just beautiful? It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad that it doesn't fit my big ass finger because this is just gorgeous.
Baby na 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 na, baby na 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 na, yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. It is just so beautiful. Yeah, I love it.
Drop it. She bend and drop it. My girl, she want phantom. Give me phantom, give me phantom. Yeah, my African ginger. Give me my love, give me my love. Yeah, my girl, she want phantom. Give me phantom, give me phantom.
If you wanted, then you should have put a ring on it.
So guys, I will leave the link for everything in the description below, so don't forget to go ahead and check out Jeulia's Jewelry and get you some beautiful jewelry. They do have more than rings and all of the extra stuff. The one that I have, I'm going to leave the link for that in the description. But this is sterling silver, and it is just beautiful, y'all. I just can't get over how pretty it is. Like, can't nobody look at this and tell you that this is not diamond. So if you're interested in getting you some beautiful rings, all of that extra good stuff plus more, I will leave the link for Jeulia's Jewelry in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. But yes guys, this is the ring, and it is so beautiful. I'm already in love with it. Of course I got it in the wrong size, so guys, if you're interested in getting you some beautiful jewelries, don't forget to check down in the description below. They were nice enough to give me a discount code, so if you use my code, you're going to get you some coins taken off of your purchase or whatever. So don't forget to check down there and get you some beautiful jewelry, guys. This is truly beautiful, and I'm so grateful. Without further ado, let's get straight into this giveaway. So guys, what I'm going to be giving away is this ring. Okay, so for this giveaway, all you really need to do is to follow me on Instagram, follow Jeulia's Jewelry on Instagram, because thanks to them I'm able to do this. So definitely follow them on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram below, and I will leave their Instagram below. Also, go ahead, click down on the link, go ahead and scroll down and look at some jewelry, and come back in the comments and just give me a little feedback. You know, tell me what you think. Just give me some feedback. Tell me what you guys think about their jewelry and stuff like that. If you guys want to see more of them on my channel and all that extra stuff. This giveaway is going to last 1 week. I'll make a video to let you know who won. Of course, I'm going to DM that person on Instagram to let them know that they won. Okay, so yeah guys, and I do want to mention that this ring is in the size 6. So if you're interested in this ring anyways, and you're not in a size 6 and you just want to give it to someone or whatever, it doesn't matter. You know, it's a giveaway, so you guys can do whatever you want to do with the ring. Y'all, this ring is so gorgeous. This ring is so gorgeous. I love it. You guys have to check out Jeulia's Jewelry. And guys, if you're interested in something and you find something that's cute and you like it, don't be afraid to use the code down below. It ain't gonna cost you nothing, okay? It's not gonna cost you anything. They gave me the code to give to you guys so you guys can get some coins taken off of your purchase, okay? Thank you so much to Jeulia's Jewelry for sending me this beautiful ring. I love it. It's beautiful, and I hope you guys love it too. So guys, that is all I have for today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.